So today we'll get these trees removed. I'll need to move this gravel so that I can get this berm tied in. We'll also get this curve softened up through here. Just planted those at the end of last season, so really easy to get out. All right, now that we got all the rock removed, got the landscaping fabric left, so now I can go ahead and pull this back and we'll be ready to tie into this mound right here. Alright, so we're all ready to tie in here, and what I'm going to do is kind of make the berm follow the line, this curve that I just made right here, and then right here I'll kind of make it a little circular to kind of mimic that, so it'll all tie together now. So as far as this area is concerned, we are ready for the dirt and ready to start backfilling. All right, so I got the first load of topsoil unloaded from my trailer. This is 2 yards. So for reference, it's about a full-size long bed truck. That's about 2 yards worth of dirt. I'm gonna need at least 4 yards, probably closer to 6. But what I did is I put them in strategic little piles here, and I'll start to go ahead and level these out. Probably do them about 1 to 2 inches, and then I'll come back through with a lawn roller to compress it, because if you look at these piles, you can see how high they are, but if you just step on it, you can see that it compresses way down. So I need to make sure that I get this all compacted down. So I just kind of threw some strategic piles around here. This is what I've been working on, building this berm up. Camera's not really picking it up, but this is probably about 6 inches. A little bit of a berm here. Tied it into this existing berm. We have a nice drop off here. I didn't want it too steep. I actually wanted it closer to the fence, but the problem was it would have been straight down. So I pulled it back a little bit. Now I can get a nice drop off there. And then what we'll do This berm's going to be tied in, and then we can start our backfill. So this might be a little bit higher when it's all said and done, but I just wanted to get an idea once I started to backfill this, how high up I wanted this back edge to go. But if we back up here, you can see that the string's not quite level from where I'm standing right now. It's actually, that's a little bit lower. But remember, I'm going to be putting the boxes on that ledge there, so I can actually backfill against the boxes a little bit too. That was my plan all along. All right, so finished for the grading for the day. I'm sure some questions are going to come up as to why is this guy grading when it's not that big of a slope. It's kind of hard to tell, but it actually goes down quite a bit here, and it dropped off significantly. About where that ladder is, starts to drop off significantly. So basically, this is 6 yards of dirt right now. I'm going to bring in 2 more yards to just do some final touches on getting this leveled out. This is kind of the rough what I had done. That line right there is just for reference. I'm not going that high. I just wanted to make sure I was keeping this level. Also got this berm built in. Ties in real nice to this existing berm, comes around, follows the contour here, and then it has a little round circle here. So those 2 trees that I had over here, I'm going to drop them in on this berm right here. I just realized I can put 2 trees here and then 2 new trees over there later on. So this tied together real nice. Besides that, I think this is where I'm going to end the video. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope that you do, because next week, pretty boring watching somebody just do dirt, but next week I think it gets pretty exciting. Trellises will be put in, planter boxes will be put in, and we should have the rocks in, so it'll actually start to look like something. So please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Sorry about me mumbling a little bit here. I'm just a little bit exhausted from moving all this dirt.